When we call functions print and range, the number of arguments that we pass can vary. If we don't pass an argument for every parameter, then the default parameter values will be used. In this lecture, you'll learn how to define your own functions that use default parameter values. Let's start by exploring help for function print. Print has several parameters. First, we pass the values that we'd like to print. Next, we pass the separator, which by default will be a space. In other words, if we print multiple values, this character would be put between them. After that, we specify end, which is a string to be displayed at the end after all of the values have been printed. And finally, optionally, we can specify the file, which is where the data will be printed, and the default is to print to standard out. Let's call print. If we don't pass anything, then a new line is printed. That's the end value. If we print just a single value, then that value is printed followed by the new line. If we print multiple values, then they're printed with the space between them and a new line at the end. Let's print 1, 2, 3 again. This time we'll have sep refer to 2 periods, and end will refer to a string, which is the exclamation mark. Those strings are used instead of the default parameter values.